Good.
Check out an investigator here. Are you recording in here by chance?
Yeah.
Okay. We have files with names on them that are under investigation, everything else. We can't have anything being recorded in here, okay?
Well, I'm just in a public lobby, so I mean, I'm not going to be recording if I get to go back there. So.
What's your business here?
Actually, she actually took the letter for a case that I filed a complaint at the Grady County Sheriff's Office against the Blanchard Police Department. I mean, it's all on body cam, and she received a letter, or the sheriff's officer received a letter from the, I forgot what her name is, Burke, saying that there was insufficient evidence.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Yeah, are you the one who wrote the letter?
I am.
Well, I'm Kenneth Grant. I'm the one who filed the complaint. I'm the one who, I mean, it was my rights that were violated in front of the, I'm an insurance adjuster. I was there to do an inspection that day. Hey, can I have that back?
Oh, absolutely.
So, I'm trying to find out why you're saying there's insufficient evidence when it's all on body cam video.
It was all on video. I did watch all the videos. The crime that you are alleging happened does not meet the statute. They have a right to investigate a suspicious person, just like you have a right not to turn over your driver's license.
Right, but they ended up forcing me to turn over my driver's license. I mean, they violated, and it's clear. I mean, I've already won the civil case that's already been settled. I mean, it's clear they violated the law, and they're doing it to everybody. They're demanding ID when they have no legal right to. I mean, they can ask, but we're not legally required to do so.
Well, you ultimately gave it to them, right?
Yeah, I ended up having to.
I mean,
but that's not the point. The point is, if you're a prosecutor, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay, so if a citizen, say he walks in and steals a pack of gum and gets caught for shoplifting, you've got to prosecute him. Mm-hmm. Okay, he broke the law. That's what these officers did. They broke the law.
I do not agree that they broke the law. I believe that they have a right, especially when you've been called into as a suspicious person. They have a right and they have a duty
There's no
to
phone call
investigate
log. It was a passerby who flagged down Officer Haynes and said, "Hey, can you go check out this vehicle?" Mm-hmm. And I told him I was working.
But they don't know you from anybody else.
It doesn't matter.
My point is that they have a duty to investigate and make sure that you're not there illegally
and that's
about to
fine.
commit
They
a
have
crime.
every
Sir,
right to investigate.
If you want to ask me questions, you gotta listen to my answer before
Okay.
you try to talk over me, okay? So they have a duty to investigate suspicious people,
Okay.
and that's what they were doing. If you want to make a complaint on them, there are other agencies, OSBI.
They said I had to come to you.
Sir, I do not believe that they have done anything illegal.
You have the number one assistant district attorney from McLean County sitting there telling them.
And they're a different district.
Right, but I mean, it's still a district attorney sitting there telling them, hey, he has no legal obligation to present his ID. He hasn't done anything illegal.
But you ultimately gave him your ID, right?
I had to, otherwise I was going to jail.
I mean, sir.
How is that not a violation of my rights?
It's not a criminal action, sir.
Conspiracy. I mean, it's all on there.
So, do you want me to print you out the Ouija for conspiracy so that we can talk about it? They did not commit the crime of conspiracy, sir. I went to law school and I have been a prosecutor for 10 years. I can tell you they did not.
So how do I get these officers held accountable for their actions?
Well, they have supervisors as well.
None
so
of their supervisors talk to me.
I can't make them talk.
One of the complainants is the chief of police. He won't investigate his own.
The sheriff's office. I mean, you've already taken it to the sheriff's office. They wrote it up and they submitted it to me. But
Right,
if you
because
want to
that's what you guys told me to do, that I had to do, because nobody else would even talk to me or listen to me about it.
Sir, I reviewed everything, and I'm sorry, they just did not commit a crime that is prosecutable. I don't believe they committed a crime at all. I believe they were acting within their duties and within their job description to investigate a crime and a potential suspicious person.
Okay, being suspicious, what category, I mean, what law does being suspicious violate?
It doesn't violate a law, sir, but they have a duty to make sure that you are there lawfully and not about to commit a crime. They don't know you, so they're
Okay.
making sure everyone is safe, including you.
But I informed him, he asked what I'm doing there. I said, I'm working. He said, yeah, I see the ladder in the back of your truck. And even the ladder in the back of my truck became suspicious because I had a ladder in the back of my truck.
But sir, you have to understand that they don't know you, and they deal with people who lie to them all the time as far as saying, well, yeah, I'm here on business. They don't know if you're actually here on business, and you wouldn't show them your ID
I'm not required to.
You're not, sir.
I fought for my rights. I did 8 years in the Army to defend that right.
And you are absolutely right. You do not have to show them your ID in that particular instance, but they also have a duty to investigate a potential suspicious person.
Okay, so during their investigation, why couldn't they just sit back, watch what was going on, see if I was up to any illicit
I
activity?
can't tell a police officer how to investigate a potential suspicious person.
But
They
then
didn't
you
want
have
to
the
do that.
chief of police throw me in cuffs because I refused to answer their questions.
And I do not police the police, I guess is my
But you're the ones who hold the police accountable.
I-
The accountability starts with you guys.
Sir, it is my responsibility to review a set of facts to see if a crime has occurred. I reviewed the set of facts. A crime did not occur. I believe that they have a right, and I appreciate the fact that if someone called in someone in my neighborhood as a suspicious person, I appreciate the fact that the police would go and make sure that that person wasn't there to burglarize my house.
And I understand that.
And they
but-
don't know you, so they have a duty to investigate you. I mean,
Okay, and I told them, I'm here working, I have a legitimate reason to be here. That's all you need to know.
that's not all they need to know, sir. If I tell Investigator Melton here, I'm not here to commit a crime, he doesn't know if that's true.
Okay, so sit back and watch.
Sir, I can't tell them how to investigate a
So,
crime.
okay, so it's okay for them to violate my rights to get to the point where what they need.
You ultimately gave them your license, sir.
Or I would have gone to jail, period. That was plain and simple. Go to jail or give us your ID. That's a violation of my Fourth Amendment.
And I disagree with the interpretation of those circumstances, sir.
The Fourth Amendment, it's set in stone. I mean, it's our constitutional right not to have to ID or be searched in any unreasonable search and seizure whatsoever.
There's also cases, though, that say that officers have a duty to investigate things like this. When a citizen tells them, hey, there is a suspicious person here, there's case law that says that those officers have a duty to go and check that out.
To violate my Fourth Amendment right?
No, sir, that's not what I said.
But that's what they did.
Sir, I disagree with you on that.
How can you disagree? Even the district attorney, do you know Mr. White, Travis White?
I do know him, yes.
He's on the phone telling them, hey, you guys don't go beyond that point. And Officer Haynes even says, fine, I'll just contact Cleet and report, because they thought I was a private investigator at the time, and I'll have him report his license.
Sir, it sounds like maybe Travis White agrees with you, so maybe you should go and talk to him about it.
I've tried. They can't do anything because it happened in your county.
And sir, I'm not going to do anything because I don't believe that a crime
So
was
police
committed.
aren't held accountable in Grady
That
County.
is not true, sir, and that is not what I've just said.
Apparently, that's what's going
Sir,
on.
what's your name?
Kenneth Grant.
Kenneth Kranz. Okay, you've been given a fair amount of time to express your concerns. All those concerns have been answered.
Okay, can I get a
Now we're starting
complaint?
to interrupt business. We have many other victims we have crimes to deal with here.
There's nobody in this lobby.
Doesn't
Okay.
mean anything's going on in here though.
Okay, then can I get a complaint for that?
Of a complaint form for what?
To file a complaint against your office and against her. I will be filing a complaint with the Bar Association.
That's fine, but we don't have a
That's fine.
complaint form.
You don't have any complaint forms
We do
here.
not.
So who do I send a complaint to the district attorney? Okay, I'll go ahead and write up a complaint to the district attorney.
Sure, okay.
So, and then I will be filing a complaint with the Bar
That
Association.
is well within your
I
rights,
will
sir.
take a copy of all, because I brought the videos again with me in case you hadn't looked them over. So,
Now you're starting to verge on trying to intimidate us into something now. So-
how is this intimidation?
Fine.
It's my right to file a complaint, correct?
So do it.
Okay.
You're wasting time by not doing it.
Don't take that tone with me. I'm a member of the public.
Go, you're done. Go. Out.
Everybody, this is the gentleman. What was your name, since you're a public official?
Out.
And your name?
Go.
Could I get your name?
Go. Go.
Okay, this is Rebecca Brink.
We're closed anyway, it's 4:30.
Okay. I will be lodging a complaint. I need to complaint, your name so I can lodge a complaint against you also. What's your name? Investigator what?
Go.
Investigator what?
Go. We don't play games here.
It's not a game to me. My rights are important to me. You may not have fought for your country, but I did. Freaking piece of shit. Motherfuckers. Well, everybody heard that, right? I already won that part in court. Grady County, Oklahoma, Grady County District Attorney's Office does not hold the police accountable. I'm going to take it as far as I'll take this to the Supreme Court if I have to. This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And that's the gentleman right there who refused to give me his name. I'm sure it's on the beginning of this, so I'll rewind it and look it up. Unbelievable. I'm so sick of this crap. Well, I'll be filing that complaint. Oh, I know, FBI is just as crooked. FBI took my complaint nowhere. Got a sheriff's officer sitting over there watching me now. This is in Oklahoma City, Chickasha, Oklahoma, at the Grady County District Attorney's Office. Oh, I plan on it. Sorry, it's cold out here, guys. It's like 34 degrees. I'm freezing my butt off. No, it sleeted last night. It was freaking cold. All right, guys. I'm going to keep this recording because I have a feeling I'm going to be followed out of town and pulled over and given some type of ticket or something. Thanks, Paul R. Yeah, Grady County District Attorney's Office. All right, I'm going to flip this around. Look at this. I'm going to show you this real quick. They put out a warrant for your arrest if you're delinquent on your taxes. Yeah. They're not supposed to do that anymore either. Yep, paid for with our money. Let me find my keys. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna keep you rolling just for a little bit. I don't know what I just did there. What I hit. What the heck? Something popped up on my screen here. I don't know how to get rid of it. Oh, that's how. I don't know, but we need to find out. I think we got to get the public poll of public opinion poll in here, and everybody who's seen that video needs to call the Grady County Sheriff's Department or Grady County District Attorney's Office and tell them that, hey, they need to file charges on these officers. Speed limit's 35, I'm doing 34. Oh man, this upsets me. Another freaking dead end. I'm not stopping here. I'm freaking, oh my God, I'm so mad. So freaking. I need to go back and get what that guy's name is. I'm going to file a complaint on him also. Sorry, I was getting a phone call. Alright guys, I'm out of their jurisdiction now. I'm going to go ahead and end this. Let's see you guys later.